Hello, kids. Today, we are going to explore 4 interesting Arabic letters. Sheen, Sheen, Sword, and Daad. Let's dive into each one of them. The letter Sheen is equivalent to the English letter S. Imagine a snake slithering smoothly. That's the sound this letter makes. Repeat it after me. Sheen. Excellent. Next up is Sheen, which sounds like the shush in shoe. A shimmering star can help you remember this sound. Sheen is present in words such as shams, meaning sun. Repeat it after me. Sheen. The letter sword is a deep and emphatic S sound, produced with the tongue pressed against the roof of the mouth. Think of a strong and sturdy saw cutting through wood to remember this letter. Sword can be found in words like sabr, which means patience. Repeat it after me. Sword. Finally, we have Daad, a unique letter that doesn't have an equivalent in English. It sounds like a mix of D and TH. Imagine a drum with a deep sound, which can help you recall this letter. Daad appears in words like door, meaning light. Repeat it after me. Daad. Let's review together. Sheen, Sheen, sword, and Daad. Excellent. Practice these letters every day, and you'll soon be reading Arabic with confidence.